Good day, watchers. Welcome to Japan Time. I live in Japan and I make videos of watches. Sometimes new watches, but most of the times just watches I wanted to add to my collection. So welcome to the world of wonderful engineering of horology. Hey everyone, welcome back to Japan Time. Today we've got something truly special to talk about, the Zenith El Primero. So first, let's do the unboxing. And oh no, my camera's failing me again. And we have a little bit of a hard box here. It's actually really kind of heavy. And before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to help out this channel and click that notification icon. And the box, I think we still have, there's more hidden compartments. And this is the strap that it came with, and I'll talk about the strap later. Because if you're familiar with my channel, straps are my thing, so they always get changed. So, and that's it for the unboxing. And here's some documentation. This is the one I got from Housekirihoba, which I have a video I'm gonna put down in the link below. Documentation, the Housekirihoba have really nice documentation. You have the certificates and everything, and of course you've got the warranty card from Zenith itself. And this their certificate of authenticity. It's you're never gonna fail in making sure that this is real. This timepiece has a rich history, and it's known for being one of the most iconic chronograph movements in the watchmaking industry. And let's find out why this watch is never leaving my collection. Let's go. First things first, if you are new to this channel, let me say that I always change bracelets and straps of my watches. Unless the strap agrees to what I want the watch to look, it will be changed, and this watch is no exception. I got to have a rally strap and find the accent color, which I went for the blue in this case. So I bought this rad-stock strap from Watch Gecko. It is one of the sub-dials in blue that made me decide to go for blue accents in this watch. So blue rally strap, since this is a chronograph, so that's how it's gonna be. That's how I like it. And now let's go for the size. Lug to lug is about 51 millimeters, which is almost beyond the limit of my wrist size of 16.5 centimeters. Case size is 42 millimeters. A little bit big for my wrist, but we'll see about that later. I got a thickness of 12.9. Let's just round that off to 13 millimeters. Lug size is 21 millimeters. A little bit off the standard strap sizes, but with some help from Google, you can find straps that will fit, like I did with the blue rally strap here. Let's see how it fits on my wrist. It is a little bit on the border of my watch size, like I said. I did look at the smaller version, the 38 millimeters. It is perfect for my wrist, but I am more keen on the overall aesthetics of this compared to the smaller version. And I do believe that the thickness contributed to how it fits on my wrist. It's not so big, lumpy kind of thing on my wrist, that's which I am not very fan of. Now let's go back to the design. The Zenith El Primero has classic and timeless aesthetics. The combination of the stainless steel case, the well-crafted dial, and the sapphire crystal gives it a sophisticated look. I particularly love the attention to detail in the dial. The subdials, the markers, and the hands are all meticulously designed. The El Primero manages to strike a balance between vintage charm and modern elegance. Love it, love it. Now let's dive into the heart of this timepiece, the El Primero movement. It is known for its high frequency of 36,000 vibrations per hour. This movement is a marvel of precision. It offers a smooth and accurate chronograph function, making it a favorite among watch enthusiasts. The El Primero movement has a legendary status, being the first automatic chronograph movement introduced in 1969. It's not just a piece of history, it's a testament to Zenith's commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. The heart of the El Primero beats a pace of 36,000 semi-oscillations per hour in 5 Hz, like I mentioned before, and enables the chronograph to measure elapsed intervals to the nearest 1/10 of a second. Imagine that, 1/10 of a second. I think this is the first automatic chronograph movement in watch history, if I am not mistaken. In fact, the very first Rolex Daytona used the El Primero movement, a modified version of it. So this is not a glorified Rolex Daytona. You're getting the real history and heritage of a chronograph movement. So let's segue a little bit to the Lume. Although this is a chronograph watch, it doesn't really need that much of a Lume, but here it is compared side by side with a Seiko dive watch, and it's respectable. I guess it's okay, and I'm good with that. Even without a Lume, I'm fine with it. Now, how does it feel to wear the Zenith El Primero? I have this for a few months now, and the watch is well proportioned. And the bracelet or strap that I have are very comfortable on the wrist. It is very versatile, enough to be worn in different settings, working in the office, boardroom meeting, or just out for a casual weekend. In conclusion, the Zenith El Primero lives up to its reputation. It's a combination of heritage, precision, and style that makes it a standout piece in the world of watchmaking. I just love wearing mine, and maybe you should look into it too. I would never sell this one because it has a place in my heart already. I would definitely pass this on to my children, who I already gotten into watches. And if you really want to learn more about this watch, go look up Teddy's video of it. It has more in-depth review of it. I think he has the 38 millimeters. And I do see him that he wears it from time to time. And he loves it, as far as I know. So, I will put a link down below. Thanks for joining us today on Japan Time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments if there's a specific watch you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy watch hunting here in Japan.